What's up, everybody? This is Major coming at you with another kind of cool video. Hey, I just had one of our subscribers, goes by Sis Yokanan. She just sent me a quick message asking, what could you do for snake bites? So, Major's got the answer for it. Just hit me up. I'll let you know. So, in every vehicle, in my two Suburbans, in my Firewatch vehicle, in the trailer you see, in the RV, we keep snake bite kits. And what that is, it's a little box kit, comes like this. You can get it at Walmart. It's about 14 bucks, 15 bucks. And what it is, basically, let me open it up for you. It is a suction cup device. It looks like this when you open it. Let me get you in the right light there. It's a suction device kit, and it allows you to interchange. It allows you, it has a, I was going to say it allows you to interchange these heads. They're different diameters so that depending on how wide the wound area is, you can fit the suction cup over it. It has a sting relief swab in there, alcohol prep, a Band-Aid. This sting relief stuff really works. We use it during the summer for mosquito bites. We actually use this suction device for mosquito bites, so it works. After you get bit, if you're a really hairy person, it's got a little razor blade in there. You can clean the hair off the area so that the suction cup can stick. It's got some alcohol preps back there, and it's got the instructions. So when you take this suction, and I'm trying to hold the selfie stick and show you this all at the same time. So when you take the suction cup out, you actually, I'm gonna do this one-handedly. You actually put the suction cup tip that you want on here, right? You put it on the wound, you depress the plunger, and it'll stick, right? Once it sticks, it's sucking the venom out. It'll suck it right into this cup. And if you let it sit there long enough, it'll just suck whatever poison just went in out. Now, this is not to say that you won't feel any effects from a snake bite. This is probably I would say 50 to 60% better outcome you may have by using this immediately. So having one of these in the back of the vehicle, in your backpack, is critical. I keep them everywhere. I bought 6 or 7 of them. I got extra ones. When you get bit by mosquitoes, you can put the other tip on, immediately suck that mosquito bite, and I'm telling you, in about 5 to 10 minutes, you don't even feel any itching. You can actually see some of the little poison. It'll look like with a mosquito bite, it's very small amount, so it'll kind of fog up on this area here. That's the venom, that's the whatever they injected you with coming back out. So this was for Sis Yokanan. This is the extractor kit from Walmart. Go get you some. Can't live without it. Don't leave home without it. Nowadays, you don't even know what those mosquitoes got in them, right? So go get you that bite and sting kit. Only suction, it says on the packaging, the only suction device proven to remove snake venom. That's dope. So go get you one. Walmart owes me some money for marketing. I threw this video at you. I hope you like it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you for watching. This is Major Gardner signing off for another kind of cool video. Peace.